Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use WriteSonic AI. In order to do so, here we are at WriteSonic.com. And what is WriteSonic all about? Well, it's your 24/7 AI team for SEO content and generative engine optimization. Our AI agents integrate with Ahrefs, SEMrush, Search Console, and more to automate SEO workflows, create content, and optimize for both Google and AI search engines like ChatGPT, cutting costs by 70% plus while boosting your organic revenue. And you can click here to get started for free or to book a demo. And we've got research and planning, access real-time info from Ahrefs, Search Console's Reddit for up-to-date strategies and content plans, create and edit content in your brand voice using advanced AI models like ChatGPT and Claude. You can enhance content, SEO performance, and campaign effectiveness with AI-powered recommendations, and you have one-click publishing to WordPress, social media, and any platform you use. If we'll just scroll down here a bit, why would you want to use WriteSonic? Well, tired of switching between ChatGPT marketing tools and content platforms just to create one piece of content? WriteSonic unifies free AI chat, ChatSonic AI article writers, and marketing tools into one powerful platform. And again, if you want to get started, it's free. Head over to WriteSonic.com and you can just click on Get Started. You have the most advanced AI article writer, generate factually accurate SEO optimized content that outperforms competitors using the most advanced AI writing tools. You can connect your favorite marketing tools. Unlike basic AI chat tools, WriteSonic connects with Ahrefs, Analytics, and WordPress to pull real-time data for smarter content decisions. You have end-to-end marketing solution in a single platform, your personalized AI marketing assistant that manages everything: market research, content creation, smart editing, SEO optimization, multi-channel publishing, and you can train their AI on your best content pieces once and generate content perfectly aligned to your brand voice forever. It's better than free AI chat tools because it's customized for you. And you could choose any AI model you need. Access the most advanced AI tools through one interface. Switch between ChatGPT, Claude, and more, all optimized for marketing and content creation. And you can transform complex data into actionable insights instantly. Drop any document into WriteSonic's AI agent and get strategic recommendations in seconds. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.